Hey guys, so in this video, I'm just going to talk about Kyubi. And if you're a CEO, like if you have a CEO account in Kyubi, like how to create the partners and how to create actual users to the end user, how to create an actual end user. So that's how I'm going to talk about in this video. So once you log in into your CEO Kyubi account, you'll have an option to like create an extension. And if you already have an extension here, that's fine. So if you don't have an extension, just make sure that you create your own extension and the name, the description, the category, and create your extension, and you should be it should be created. So as of right now, it's like just only one version, and there are no partners or extension users. So if you want to do it manually or like add a user, like just click here on add partner and click the name. Like now, what is the name of the partner and last name, partner's email. Com, and what is the extension, and select the extension and click add. So the partner account is being successfully created, and if you go to my partners, you'll be able to find the assigned extension here, like one extension, the name, the email, and active. And if they have added any users, you can able to see it from here. And you can also say that what are the extensions you want to manage, like friend booster is one. If you have multiple extensions, you can manage here. And if you want to do the suspend, like if you want to suspend the partner, you can do it here. And you can also add users here from your CEO account, like same Naveen user, phone number, and what extension you want to add them, and yep, and click on save, and the extension user must be created here. So this is how do you create your partners and your extension users from your CEO account. So so the next thing is like how to add them using Zapier, using the API settings. Right now, you're not able to add the user, like the API settings is not there for the user. You can only see it for add partner, which I'll be explaining it and going it over here. So once you, let's say you have, yeah, so let's say you have a ClickFunnels or any other account here where you collect payments as for the partner, and instead of here just new contact activity, you just have to have like a new successful purchase, and it should be the same, like choose the account, choose the contact, find data, and continue. So the next thing is to add an app and click on web hooks by Zapier, and you have to click on post and click on continue. So what is the URL? So once you go to the QB, this is the webhook URL. Just copy it and then paste it. It's like this is for the create partner, this form. So what are the data? So if you see here that these two are the required fields, and the others are like optional fields. So the required fields are like token, which is you have to copy the name and put the data token here, and the token is you can copy it from here and paste it, and email, just copy email and add another data called email. So the email should be from ClickFunnels, and if you want to add another data like the extension token here, or the phone number, last name, or first name, you can actually even add it, which are like optional fields. So for adding it, I'll just add like the first name and the last name. The first name is Navi, and there's no last name I'm getting here, but I'll still add the last name here and just say Tanak is two, and no, Tanak partner 2. So that is like last name. So once you do it, you just have to. So that is, if you want to add the phone number and extension token, you can actually add it. But I'll just go on here and click on continue, and just test and continue, and you should be getting a success message here. This was sent to Zapier who just now created like partner successfully. Status is true. So don't forget to turn on your Zap, so that usually what happens whenever you edit or create a Zap, like it doesn't turn on. So make sure that you turn on your Zap. So once that is finished, if you go to your Kyubi and see the partners, you can see that the partners has been created. So what will happen is that whenever someone is going and if someone is purchasing, the partners account will be automatically assigned here. And right now, to create your own extension users, you just have to create your uh, so you have to create it right now. We can't. There is no API settings as of right now from here. So the only thing you have to do for right now is to create your own partner account with a different email and just log out. And once you log in with your partner account, right now you have you have the API settings for creating user, add user. So so I'm just going. Okay, this I haven't. Okay, which was the email? I didn't assign the. I didn't assign the partner for an extension because I didn't have. So this guy has that. On the contrary, let's do one thing. Right now you can't see it, but you do have the extension token here, which is good because you can actually add the user itself. Let's try that. So I'm just going in and just clicking on post. So if you want, I'm just trying this. It may work, it may not work. I'm just trying this from here. So I'm just clicking on uh, web hooks by Zapier again, and clicking on post, clicking on continue, clicking on copy, create partner. Okay, so the web hook should be different, I think so. Yeah. So let's do one thing, and I'll just get incognito mode on Kyubi.io. I don't know if you can see the incognito mode. So what's the email? I'll take this email, login, and click on login, and click on API settings. Okay, so create user extension, assessment extension user. The thing is, like, if you see the extension token for this, for the same partner account, and the CEO account is same, I think so. Yeah, it's same. So the only difference is the webhook here. So instead of having a create partner webhook, you just have to go here and like create extension user webhook, and the data should be the same, like the token. I think let's try this first. The token is this, and the email email is this, and the extension token. Let's create an extension token, and I'll just copy this and I'll paste this. It's good, and I'll try to proceed and test and continue. Okay, so then I think it doesn't work. So what should we go to? You have first, like, then the only thing you can do is you should have to create your partner account, which is we already have created here. So once you go to the partner account, you have API settings here. So this is what we already used here. So instead of this token here, just use this token, set your partners, and click on continue, and just continue. Voila, it's added here. So when you go to your QB account, you'll be able to see the extension user has been created. So that's how you create an actual user and a partner. So I hope this video helps you in understanding how to use Zapier to automate all the process in the backend. And you also have all these optional fields of first name, last name, and phone number, which you can add here at this customize request. You just have to click on add another item and you'll be good to set. And as I mentioned earlier, click on this app and just can come out. So thank you guys, and see you guys.